The Belgian Malinois is an extraordinary breed of dog, known for its incredible athleticism and fearless nature. Originating from Malines, Belgium, these super dogs have some seriously insane parkour skills that are truly mind-blowing. They can jump above 6 feet and possibly even as high as 8 feet, showcasing their amazing athletic abilities. But it's not just their physical prowess that makes them stand out. It's their fearless and determined nature that sets them apart from other breeds. Belgian Malinois refuse to back down from any challenge and are always ready to take on whatever comes their way. They are not for the faint-hearted, as they require an experienced owner who can provide them with the time, patience, and perseverance they need to thrive. If you are up for the challenge, a Belgian Malinois could be the perfect breed for you.